Hi, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you about how to install Python and how to install VS Code as well. So here I provided the small steps, so you can follow these steps. If you want, you can take the screenshot of this, you can follow later as well. So here is the very simple steps. We have to go to the python.org and click on download. So on installation, so we should not forget this add to path. So okay, then click on install now. Wait, so it's going to be installed. So the next, once we install, we have to open the cmd command prompt and we have to run this code python version. So we have successfully see, if you see the version, then yeah, your Python was installed on your system. So second steps is like install VS Code. So we have to go to this website and we have to click on this, and there we go. This is also going to be download. I'm going to show you as well. Here we go. Come, let's check. So I'm going to show you. I'm typing python.org download. So here is the first. Click on this. Once we click on this, we have to click on this download Python 3.13.2. This is the latest version, guys. So once I download it, see, start downloading. It is done, guys, very fast, So here I am saying, so add Python to the path. This one we have to check. Then this is also check, and just click on install now. Then one pop-up will come, so just click on S. Then here we go, the setup in progress. So it will take few seconds, to please wait until it get installed. So there we go, installing is in process. We'll wait. So there we go, the install setup was successful. Then close. So we will check whether it is installed or not. I just open the Python. There you go, we have to run this right? Python version, so which is the version step. There we go, the Python is 3.30.2. it is installed, so don't worry about this one. So next, come, let's move on to the next, VS Code download. So here is the second link you have to click. Once you click, you will see this screen, your code editor ready, find it. We have to use and download for Windows, right? So just click on this. Thanks for downloading VS Code. It's get started downloading. We have to wait until it get downloaded. There we go, this is the steps 2 we have. It is installing. It will take 1 minute left. We'll wait. If you like my channel, please do subscribe. This is my channel, PR Madness. I've started. You are going to learn everything about the Python, and in future I'm also going to teach you about AI as well. Time to download. We will wait. It's taking time, guys. 27, 26, 25. Still 17 MB done. 103 MB is there. We will wait until it gets downloaded. There you yeah, it's downloaded. So we will open this. Double click on that, we will get this pop-up. So we have to accept the agreement. Once we accept that, this is the where it is stored. If you want to change, you can change anywhere if you want. It's saved in the program, so just click on OK. Next. Here is just next. Create a desktop icon, checkbox, then next. Here we go, install. It's getting installed. This very cool, right? There we go. We are installing in progress. Yeah, installed. If you would like to launch, just checkbox and click on finish. It's going to be launch on the same screen. Yeah, here we go. We have installed. So here is the VS Code. So we are going to create the first. Once it gets started, we have to create the one new file. Click on new file and give the format as learn test.py. Once you click on this, it will ask where I need to save this file. I'm just clicking on download. I'm going to creating new file. There we go. So, and here automatically it is going to show you you need this Python extension. So we can click either in installation, or here we have extension, right? We have to click on this Python. It will give the suggestion as well. So Python extension we have to install. So better I'm going from here only install. It is installing. Yeah, it is successfully installed. So once it is installed, there we go, all the setup is ready.